Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a back to top button in Figma that stays visible while scrolling and smoothly scrolls the user back to the top of the page. Start by designing your button. This could be a simple arrow icon or a text label like top. Once designed, turn it into a component so you can reuse it across your project. Drag an instance of this button into your main scrollable frame. To keep it visible while scrolling, go to the Prototype tab and set its position to fixed. If your button is inside an auto layout frame, enable absolute position first so it can move freely. Then, in the Design tab, set the constraints to bottom and right so the button remains anchored to that corner regardless of screen size. Next, add the Scroll To interaction. Switch to Prototype mode, select your button, and drag the blue plus icon to your topmost layer or header. In the interaction settings, set the trigger to OnClick, the action to Scroll To, and the destination to your top frame or element. For a smooth effect, choose Animate with an ease out timing and a duration of 400 milliseconds to 800 milliseconds. This will create a polished scroll experience when users click the button. For advanced behavior, you can simulate a Show Hide on Scroll effect even though Figma doesn't support a native on-scroll trigger. Place a transparent rectangle somewhere down the page, then add an interaction like Mouse Enter, Open Overlay, or change to a variant where the button becomes visible. This creates the illusion that the button appears only after scrolling. With these steps, your prototype will have a fully functional, smoothly animated back-to-top button that improves navigation and user experience.